10 Best Red Wine Vinegars brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Red wine vinegar is made by prolonging the fermenting process of red wine until it achieves the sour taste of vinegar. Red wine vinegar should be chosen according to its taste, price, versatility and acidity. Let's get started from the less. At number 10, Napa Valley Naturals Organic Red Wine Vinegar. Great value, beneficial to health and exceeds expectations. Napa Valley Red Wine Vinegar is a staple in many kitchens. It is made from a barrel-aged Italian wine with a blend of the best grapes, olives, seeds, and nuts, and bottled in the United States. At number 9, we have Heinz Red Wine Vinegar. If you are new to red wine vinegar and you're just starting to incorporate it into your dishes, a really good choice is Heinz. Because it gives you a standard or basis on what red wine vinegar is supposed to taste like. Progresso Red Wine Vinegar is at number 8. If you are watching out for your figure but still want good food, try the Progresso Red Wine Vinegar. It has 0 calories and 0 fat and it provides the perfect balance of sweetness and crispness. At number 7 we have Fini Red Wine Vinegar. If you like to splurge just to get the most exquisite ingredient to add life to your dishes, here you are. Terra Medi Greek Red Wine Vinegar gets the 6th position. This one is perfect for experiencing Greek cuisine. It has a unique golden color due to the natural pigmentation of the grapes and no added colors. Now at number 5, we have Banyuls Traditional French Red Wine Vinegar. Banyuls is made from a premium wine that is famous in France called Vins Doux, or sweet wine. At number 4, there is Veneto Red Wine Vinegar. If you are into salads and you are looking for the best vinegar to make an awesome vinaigrette, your search is over because you have found Veneto Red Wine Vinegar. Mantova Italian Red Wine Vinegar is at number 3. The ingredients of Mantova Red Wine Vinegar are different varieties of grapes that are grown in Italian soil. And the process of selecting, blending, and aging are all done in Italy. At the 2nd position, we have Colavita Aged Red Wine Vinegar. Try a taste of Italy with Colavita Aged Red Wine Vinegar. It is an authentic Italian red wine vinegar made through traditional and natural ways of selecting wines and aging and fermenting them in wooden barrels. So lastly at the top, we all know about Pompeian Gourmet Organic Red Wine Vinegar. It is the best-selling red wine vinegar in America. It is made from organic grapes grown and harvested in Italy, specifically in the Emilia-Romagna region. You can buy any of these amazing red wine vinegars by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.